Thunder to makongre kerela, anoya daisa fana ramonu fataira, oromia jelamera, anoi jolika bainu fu, itapana kekinyana bayechena, chentairana, kalatoma Egeree Media scribe cola. I know tapan pizza and cakey and pie jelly. Play Jenny. Very funny line. I know play Jenny. I know make it play Jenny. Bagana nuftani Ijoollee ana shantaira.
Yeah. Sure. All right. So, you guys want to say something about the guy?
Yeah.
Who is next?
Kenna.
Me, Kenna will go first.
Kenna?
Yeah. I'm not doing it in Oromo.
Oh, you're not doing it in Oromo?
No.
Okay.
No.
A few things I like about Egeree. Well, he's my god brother, and he's funny. He laughs. A few things that Egeree's funny about for me, whatever. So he's my god brother. He laughs. He's funny. He can make some pawn jokes, and he likes to cry. Facts. And he smiles good. Thing that I like about Egeree is I like how cute he looks with his badge and how cute he looks with his red shirt, and I like how he always looks like I like how he looks like kind of like him, and I like how he always plays with Ken and Toron, and I also like how he also likes to celebrate his birthdays. Goodbye.
Because he likes to play and he never stops.
3, go.
I like something about Egeree, but I like he go on his iPad. He always go in the car if his dad go to work, and whatever what he go to work.
Go.
Like he's fun to play with.
That's it?
Something I like about Egeree is that he likes to play, yeah, that's all. And happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday.
Some things I like about Egeree is that he's really caring and he likes to share. And yeah, happy birthday, Egeree.
Okay, something I like about Egeree is that he's a very passionate friend. Something I like Egeree is that whenever I see him in church, he seems like a good student that's learning about the Lord. And I see that he's growing up really fast, watching him grow up since he was very little, and I'm glad that he saw another day. And now he's turning 5 years old, so congratulations.
I like about Egeree is that he's my god brother, and happy birthday, Egeree.
Ready, set, and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Egeree. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday करें